Hello and welcome to the second match of this tournament, Xevo versus Infogame. I have Xevo's captain Vikram with me, and we are going to chat about the strategy and how the team is prepared for today's match. First of all, Vikram, you have again lost like the last match. We believe that you will win the match once again, and all the good luck for this match. What kind of team you are going into this match? We are seeing the weather is a little hazy. Probably it will seem the wicket seems to be helping the fast bowlers. So what kind of team we are going into?
First of all, thank you for the good luck. We actually are not changing the composition. It's exactly the same. We have 5 fast bowlers and same combination of 5 batsmen and a wicket keeper. But yes, of course, the pitch is slightly different. It has a little more bounce, so it's going to help our bowlers, right? And more importantly, we are batting first, so we would know what target to defend when we're bowling, so it's going to be easy for us. Yeah.
Sure. I think you will miss one of your left-arm seamers today. Praveen is not playing, but I believe you have good strength in the bowling today. It looks Rohit bowled well. The spinners, Rajneesh and Sarod did a good job in the last match. So I think you would keep your money on Rohit Rana and probably Ashish Gura to open the innings.
That's true. I mean, it's a bit of setback that we're not playing. Praveen is not playing today, but we do have good bench strength, good seam bowlers. Rajneesh is going to bowl seam up today. He's not going to bowl spin because of the pitch. It's more seamer friendly. So it seems like we have good composition and we'll be able to bowl well today. Yeah.
Right. So I think you have made some strategical change. Hope it helps us winning the match. Once again, good luck for this match, Vikram. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks.
Thank you, Rajat.